Sugarpine Trail, and as you can see, it's a sunflower. Not sure, but looks like it. But anyway, it's gonna be a 18 miles trail going up there. So don't forget to subscribe and keep watching, and we're gonna explore that. Okay, today we're going to Sugarpine Trail, and our starting point is going to be right here, and then we're going to drive 18 miles going to our endpoint right over there. Rocky here now, so yeah, my tire is spinning but still having traction. Because we're going up, more rocks. Come on baby, come on, come on. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of rocks there. Come on, come on. Whew. We're still not on the top yet on the trail, and it's getting a little bit bumpy, and it's getting a little bit challenged for this car. Come on, oh, come on, come on, come on, come on. There, come on baby. Wow, wow. We're still gonna be up there too, and my transmission here is getting a little bit warm up there, but it can be manageable. Almost there, almost in the top. Ooh. Okay guys, now we came from there and then going there, but not this one, okay, because it's gonna be a dead end there, so it's gonna be there, and I think like 8 miles, 7 miles, 6 miles. I'm not sure. So we're still gonna continue driving. And Jay, shh. Where are you going? I guess you can go camping here. I see some like burning wood, something for the camping. I guess someone doing camping here. So we're still gonna continue driving all the way there. Okay, so let's go. I see a lot of wildflowers here on this trail, so I know you guys are gonna enjoy it. Never see this before, but yeah, I love it. And then you see that drive there, it's so rocky. It's so freaking cold in here. As you can see, it's so windy. The wind's really strong. I'm getting a chill here. I cannot fly my drone here because if I fly it, it's gonna go, you know, the wind's gonna grab it and I don't know, it's gonna land. So sorry, it's gonna be a few drone shot, but as you can see, it's so cloudy, foggy. Woo, so chilly in here. Woo. Based on my car temp, it's around 35. So, woo, oh my gosh. But anyway, we're gonna go there to our destination. Pretty much 3 miles to go, and we're gonna hit there. Okay? Some people might, you know, see us, so I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna open this up now. So, yeah. Let them know that I'm coming. And just won't cause any accident. I'm gonna turn it on that over here. Let's see. Okay, it's on now. I think that will be okay. Or I'll turn on the top too. Yeah, maybe I'll turn on the top too. Just to make it cool. Let's see. Okay, it's charging up. Okay. Okay, the bulb is okay. Alright. Let's see. Dang! I got too much light here. Anyway, whew. Nice. So that's gonna be our final destination there. The only thing I didn't went there because the soil or the trail is too wet and my wheel is spinning out. It's not having traction. Well, you know, my car is not capable. It's not meant to be like that. So sorry, but it's only a half a mile and you're there in the destination, and you cannot even see anything because of this fog. You can barely see anything. So if you're here, just be careful, guys, because weather like this happen again. It's gonna be hard. Everything's gonna get wet, rocky, and you might get stuck. So yeah, especially wind like this, there's possibility that the wind can blow you up in the edge of the trail, and you know, accident. But I did have fun going here, and look at the fog. The wind is blowing really loud. As you can see there, oh my god, the wind is so strong. Yeah. my gosh, it's very thrilling here, and I'm so freaking cold right now. Oh my gosh. But anyway, sorry to disappointed you guys, but at least you got an idea where you're going. And don't worry, I'm gonna leave all the location, the coordination, and whatever. And guys, don't forget to subscribe so I can, you know, inspire me to make more video, and maybe share this video. Oh, that's gonna make me happy also. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more future video like this. So thank you guys, you're the best. So